Hello, and welcome to this course about e-commerce dropshipping. In this course, we're going to cover how to create a Shopify store for your business. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 looks at setting up your Shopify account. Module 2 covers designing and customizing your store. And Module 3 covers stocking your store with products. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to effectively plan out and create an awesome e-commerce store for your business. So without further ado, let's move on to the first module.
Okay guys, so let's get into setting up our Shopify account. Ever wanted to create your own online store to sell products online? Shopify is a very popular software chosen by many online sellers to create their e-commerce websites. It is so popular due to being super user-friendly and very easy to interact with. Shopify allows you to create and customize your store, sell it in different channels, market it using built-in tools, and manage everything from orders, shipping, payments, and so on using a single dashboard. Now let's start creating our store. Click on the Start Free Trial at the upper right corner to enjoy the 14-day trial. Next, type in your email address, password, and your store name, then click Create Your Store. After that, you'll be asked to say something about yourself. For example, are you already selling? For now, let's answer, I'm selling, just not online. Then let's choose online only. Then for the current revenue, let's choose the second one. Once okay, click Next. Fill in the information, then click Enter My Store. Once your store is created, you'll be redirected to your admin homepage. This is how it would look like. Let's do a quick tour of the admin homepage. Shopify Home shows the information about daily tasks, your store's recent activity, and the next steps you can take to build your business. Here's another example of an actual running Shopify store's admin homepage. You have your total sales analytics, your orders, payments, and chargebacks information. Back to our homepage, the next steps for our new store are adding a product, customizing our theme, and adding a domain. Now let's check out the Orders tab. After the customer places an order using any of your active sales channel, it should appear here. You can also create orders manually in your Shopify admin to record orders that you've made outside Shopify or send your customers email invoices. Then we have the Products tab. This is where you can view, update, and organize all of your products and variants. It has 4 sub-menus. Transfers is where you can track and receive your incoming inventory from suppliers. Then we have the Inventory. This is where you can track your stock level. Next, we have the Collections. This is where you can group your products to make it easier for customers to find them by category. Gift card is a special type of product. Its value can be used as a payment for future orders from your online store. Next, we go to the Customers tab. Every time a new customer places an order with your store, their name and other details are added here. Then we have the Analytics or the Overview dashboard. The Overview dashboard shows key sales, orders, and online store visitor data. You can see at a glance how your store is performing across all of your sales channel and for any date range. After the dashboard is the Report sub-menu. This is where you can check how your store performed in the last 30 days. Last, we have the Live View or the real-time activity of your store. Third from the last of our main menu is Marketing. You can create and manage marketing activities like Facebook ads and marketing automations like Google Smart Shopping campaigns here. Next, we have the Discounts tab. Offering discounts can be a powerful marketing strategy for your Shopify store. To offer discounts, you can create discount codes, set up automatic discounts, or set sale prices for individual products here. Then we have the Apps tab. You can install Shopify apps to help you build your business, integrate with external services, and add features to your Shopify home. Finally, let's talk about the sales channels. Sales channels represent the different marketplaces where you can sell your products. By connecting each sales channel to Shopify, you can keep track of your products, orders, and customers in one place. The online store sales channel is an online home for your business. You can use it to create web pages, publish a blog, and sell your products using beautiful responsive themes and a personalized domain name. At the bottom left, you should be able to find your account settings. Let's start with the general setting. The general setting allows you to view and update your store details. This includes your store name and store address, which will also appear on your invoices. Then we have the payment provider setting. This allows you to manage your store's payment providers. This is an important step toward getting paid by your customers. When a customer checks out, they can choose to pay for their order using any of the methods that you've enabled. Then we have the checkout setting. This allows you to customize your online checkout process. You can prompt your customers to create an account when they check out, set how customers can receive updates from your store, and so on. Next is the shipping setting. Manage how you ship orders to your customers using this setting. In here, you can set up rates, package sizes, shipment information, and fulfillment services. Then we have taxes. This setting allows you to manage sales tax based on your location. Next, we have the location setting. This allows you to manage the places you stock inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products. Your locations can be retail stores, warehouses, pop-ups, dropshippers, or any other places where you manage or stock inventory. Next is the notification setting. This setting allows you to manage notifications about orders, shipping, delivery, and so on. You can also set it up so you and your staff will be notified when a new order comes in. Next, we have the file setting. This allows you to upload images, videos, and documents. Then we have sales channel. This setting allows you to manage the channels you use to sell your products and services. Next, we have plan and permissions. This allows you to view plan information and manage what staff can see or do in your store. Next, we have store languages. This allows you to manage the languages your customers can view on your store. Second to the last is billing. This allows you to manage your billing information and view your invoices. And finally, the legal setting. You can use this setting to manage and set up your store's legal pages.
Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will be going over designing and customizing your store. So get ready to take some notes.
Alright, so let's get our first store design and customize. On the dashboard, go to the side menu, then click Online Store. Then click Explore Free Themes. Let's choose the simple theme, and you can preview how it looks like here. And it also includes all these features and styles. Select a style, then click Add to Theme Library. You should be able to see it at the theme library. To change our default theme to the new one, click Actions, then select Publish. For now, let's customize our new theme, so click Customize. We are now inside the theme editor page, and you'll see the sections and theme settings on the upper left side of your screen. Let's have a quick overview of the sections. The header has the settings for the logo, announcement bar, and tagline section. Next, we have the sidebar. This is for the main menu and theme settings, where you can put all your social media links. Then we have the footer. This has the settings for the links, newsletter sign up, and you can also add additional content. The middle part contains the page sections, the slideshow, featured collection, and the map. For now, let's put the slideshow and the map at the bottom of the page. To do that, just drag the tiles to the bottom. Click Add Section, and from the list, let's add a featured banner. Then click Add. Next, we need to put our featured banner to the top section of our page. Let's now preview our current layout. Once you're happy and it's okay, we are now ready to add some images. For royalty-free photos, let's go to unsplash.com. Let's find some wristwatch photos. Type in wristwatch, people. And you can filter it according to orientation or color tone. Once you find an image that you like, click the download photo icon, then save it to your computer. If you want to create a simple logo, go to canva.com/create/logos. Once you have your logo and images ready, we can now start designing. Let's add our logo. Click header, then select image. Click upload, select from your images, then click open. You should see the image in your library. Click the logo from your list, then click select at the bottom. Next, let's add an image to our banner. Click featured banner, then select image. Click upload, select the photo from your computer again, then select the photo in your library. Then click select at the bottom. Next, we have the featured collection. For the featured collection, we need to add a cover photo for each category. You can also increase the number of rows depending on the number of your product category. The next section is the slideshow. Typically, the images here are about your brand story. Let's add some images here. Click slideshow, then go to content, then select image. Instead of going to the library, let's explore some free images. Go to men's fashion since this is our niche for this example, then select an image that you like, then click select at the bottom. Let's add another image to our slideshow. Go to slideshow, then content, then click add slide. Go to free images again, men's fashion, then select an image, then click select. You have the option to change the slide height. You also have the auto rotate slide setting, which sets the slideshow to play automatically. The next setting is the change slides every setting. This selects how often to change slides. And the last two are the transition effect and the text size setting. Let's now go back to our main page, and once you're happy with your design, click save at the upper right corner of your screen, then publish. To go back to the Shopify admin, type in your store name .myshopify.com/admin.
Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about stocking your store with products. So get ready to take some notes.
Okay, now let's wrap up by adding some products. On the main menu, click Apps, again, then select the product we imported from Oberlo. At the product editor, we can see the changes that we made in Oberlo. If you need to change any details, feel free to update it here. Let's update our product quantity. Then click Save. Let's preview how our product looks like in our store. Now let's add our second product. Go to Oberlo again, then click Import List. Select your second product to add, then let's start editing again. Let's update the product title. Then the description. Next, the variants. Lastly, let's choose our images. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, click Import to Store again. Do the same for all the products on your list, then check how it looks in your Shopify admin. Lastly, don't forget to preview how it looks like at your actual store.